Hi everybody, it's 4:25 and 47 seconds. I hope everybody can hear me on this one. The last two I did, I think I shut the microphone off by accident. So it's June 30th. This is the drawing for the Green Lantern 76. Over here on the left-hand side are the 16 filled spots. Okay, let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It will ship out on Monday, July. I think I keep saying it's the 2nd, but I believe it's actually only July 1st. Anyway, it's going to go out on Monday. So here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one. 11, spot 1, Howard Kleinman. Congratulations. Time is 4:26 and 50.